What's up guys, this is Connor. Welcome back to Three Pedal Devils. So I just bought this brand new $1,400 road legal dual sport motorcycle. In today's video we'll take delivery of it, unbox it, show you what it's all about, assemble it, and even take it for a first test ride. There's a lot to cover, so let's roll the intro and get into it.
Ooh, like a razor lipstick, and I risk it, instant. She sucking my with her lipstick. Ooh, check up on a bitch like a dipstick. Ooh, yeah, she fuck on me like a misfit. Like a razor lipstick, and I risk it.
So if you saw our last video, I announced our plans to ride a 600 plus mile off-road adventure ride called the Trans-Wisconsin Adventure Trail, and this is the bike that I'll be taking on that trip. So the truck showed up to deliver this thing to me at about 9 a.m. on a Friday morning, and then at about 5 o'clock my dad came home, and then we were able to use some straps and a couple come-alongs to pull the skid right up on the trailer. Worked out pretty well, and then we strapped it down and headed over to the shop. Once we got this thing over to the shop, we initially tried using an engine crane on one of the steel members of the crate that was holding the bike to, pull it off the trailer. We quickly found out that that wouldn't work because the metal was so weak that once we, tried to lift it, the metal just bent and kind of dropped down. You'll see it right here. Yeah, so it didn't go super well. And then we decided to just muscle it to the edge of the trailer. And once we had it there, we were able to use the crane on the steel structure in a better spot to then, lift it off the pallet and then off the trailer and into the shop. This vehicle conforms to all applicable federal motor vehicle safety standards.
I sensed it as soon as you looked at me like that. I was like,
what the does that say? Manufactured. In effect on the date of manufacture shown above. This is gonna blow up.
At least it's got a gold chain.
Gear shift is prohibited unless accelerator is loosed.
Ooh.
It's not even a word.
No.
Literally not a like that's spelled incorrectly, just not a word.
Yeah. Once we were done having our fun reading the hilarious English translations on the stickers on this thing, we started tearing off the frame that was used for shipping. That metal was just absolutely hilariously bad quality. It did break off in one spot that was holding the front forks, so we had to mess with that for a while to try and get the bike out safely. But you see we lifted it out there, got it sitting on the ground now, and then we pulled over a ATV like power sports jack, rested it under the bottom of the frame, and then raised it up a bit, lifted up the swing arm, and eventually moved it over into the position where I was going to build this thing.
Sounds like a camera here tonight. 30 racks always.
This is a
Oh my, what the is that?
Beads. Is that for the handlebar?
holy Chinesium all over my sweater. Holy they send documentation? That's insane.
Like a guard, so you don't.
Yeah.
You
Wow,
think?
I spelled everything
You
right.
really think that's what this is for? There's no
So
way that's
sick.
for the handlebars.
Didn't come with it yet. You have to get the title from the TMB.
Oh, gotcha. No way. Comes with a tool pouch?
No way.
Dude,
Yes!
Oh my
That's
god,
sick.
those are the worst things I've ever seen in my life.
This is literally
The jaws don't even touch each other.
That's because look how loose
Oh my
it came.
god. That's the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
What's made out
That's,
of?
you know what that's made out of? It's all the recycled needles.
Yeah.
Out of Sharps containers.
Yeah, it is.
They melt those things down.
Came with a rack. Wanna see my rack?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's so... Hey, it did come with a battery.
I probably want to lie. Oh my god, they're huge!
Those are sick.
That's the biggest motorcycle key I've ever seen. Wait, what the
Anything in there?
Oh, that's for the lock.
Honestly, it's insane that even though all this shit's so garbage, that it costs $14 to make a profit while shipping it across
How
the world.
sick is that?
Holy hell!
Quality.
Oh yeah, that thing's
You just buy a motorcycle in a box, dude? That's so baller.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that thing's sick.
Dude, this is the sickest ever. Everyone should buy a bike in a box. Unless you don't know how to work on then you should not.
I want to buy one of those $400 Amazon bikes.
What the what does that even mean?
Some cheap bikes on Amazon.
Like the dirt bike kind, or
Yeah.
See, how is that even possible?
100
It
cc.
costs $400 to ship something that big.
Oh,
And after a while of messing around, I finally got to assembling this thing. There was actually quite a bit of work to do to put this thing together. handlebars, the cluster engages, the front wheel, a whole bunch of different levers. I had to mount the battery, mount all the fairings and plastics, so it wasn't too bad, but there was definitely a bit of work to it. So I'll stop yakking away and let you check that out, and then we'll get the first start up in.
So shitty.
Yeah,
Dude, that thing's pretty bright. Oh, that's it.
Oh, do you have the light switch off?
Hey, there you go.
So the
had
bright
extra-
is the long
Oh,
term.
yeah.
What does the tiny one do?
That's the regular light. The tiny one's the regular light.
Oh, running?
Running,
That's
running.
okay.
There's two of them though.
Yeah,
there?
one's
No,
just
never mind.
light and bright, and the small ones are running.
It just looks like there's two.
Yeah.
No, you're still.
No way, I feel like
Oh!
Yeah.
Here we go, fellas.
A few moments later.
Where is it supposed to hook up to?
I don't think anywhere.
You gotta hook up somewhere.
That's it?
It's air injection, yeah, it's gotta have some kind of air down it.
Well, it's about 15, 20 inches too short to reach anything that could get air. It's literally so short. Holy cord works. Oh! See if the clutch is just right.
He's riding a lawnmower.
Ripping it, dude. $1,400 for a bike in a box. Come on.
Can't beat it.
You can't beat that. You can't beat that.
$1,400. That's it.
I just took her for the maiden voyage. She was going strong until I tried to go from second down to first, and I stomped and there was nothing on my bike. And then I turned it off, and Tyler found this bad boy laying on the ground. So, hell yeah. Towel quality right there. Also, just found this gem. Gonna turn the signal on, watch what happens. I guess listen what happens.
Third. Are you kidding me? What's wrong with it?
Is Since when do blinkers beep?
JDM. Oh wait,
CDM.
CDM.
Maybe just CM. So yeah, gonna have to Loctite this. In this video we took delivery of the $1,400 TaoTao TBR7 dual sport motorcycle, assembled it, and got some first test rides in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you can come back and check out what work we do on the TaoTao in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.